How's it going, everybody? I wanted to chat with you real quick today about the editing process behind my videos. And to do this, I'm just going to show you yesterday's video and how I went about editing that. It's really simple. I use an iPad Pro to do all of my editing work in this app here called LumaFusion. So I'm going to just take over on the iPad screen and show you guys how things are done. Alright, so we're inside of LumaFusion right now, and I've already got this project timeline here from yesterday that I did the video for my new logos, the banner photos, and stuff like that. So I introduced a bunch of stuff yesterday, and today I just wanted to show you how I created that video, and it's also the program I use to edit all of my other videos, but it's just kind of a simple look into my editing process. I have never made a video like this, so I thought some people might wonder how I do it. It makes my editing super easy. So I thought I'd give you a quick tip on how you could perhaps simplify your editing process, but still get some really nice looking videos. So it breaks everything down for you into your albums. You can go back and find the exact date that you shot everything on. I believe this is the day that I did all of my video work. So here it is. It's just one nice long clip originally. And it's kind of overexposed. So the first thing that I'll do is double tap on the video and head down here on the options across the bottom. You'll see where I'm tapping here, different things are being highlighted. You can change the speed of the video. That's not really something we want to do in this case. You can also change the volume around. Again, it's over here, the volume slider. Not really something I need to do in this particular case. And then over here, you will find different video effects. So you can tap over here where you see me scrolling. You can tap on all kinds of different video effects and change the contrast levels. You'll see down there at the bottom some contrast changing on the video. You can change it up here. There's a big change when I do that slider. You can just add quick pre-done looks and effects. You can tap on different things and just kind of go for the look that you're looking for. There's all kinds of different ones you can choose from. Let me get off of that look on the face. Anyway, so you can kind of play around. Say we're going to edit this background and you want the background to look like something, you can add vignettes quickly. It actually really works so easily to make it look like you shot something a bit more cinematic perhaps than just an average day video. So once you get the look you're after, I was after this look here that I went with for the final look because it just kind of focused in on me as the subject, or then when I brought things in there was a lot of contrast between the video and the logo. So to bring a video or a photo in, for example, if I want to bring in my logo, I just simply drop my logo here like so, and I would tap on it. You just double tap, and then you can resize it and go into the cropping mode, so you can crop up off of the bottom like that. Of course, you can just drag it like this, or you can use these different sliders over here to get a more precise look onto that logo. And then you can just move that logo around as you like, and we'll say bring it over here, we can bring it here. You can do all kinds of stuff with it, really. You can actually, if you want to, put a keyframe there, and then every time I move, I can make the logo track my face if I wanted to. So if I move, the logo can move with me, and really whatever I want to do, I can do with this software. It works really well. So if I move this to when I move, the logo will just continue to follow my face. So it's kind of awesome. You can do all kinds of cool, professional almost effects with this software. The next thing that I do to simplify my editing process is I have some albums with my assets in them. So in here you will find my outro video. The new outro I created the other day is inside of here, as well as this little intro shot at the beginning of all my videos will be found in there. So I put all of my stuff in here. There's some quick editing and cropping tools that you can utilize when you're inside of here. The other thing that I will always do is when you're running this shot, instead of having a harsh transition at the beginning, I always like to add a quick transition, and that's right there. A quick transition will always be a cross dissolve, though there's a lot more options here under transitions. I think the cross dissolve works best for coming in off of that. But there's tons of transitions to choose from. In a lot of my videos when I use music, there's tons and tons of songs to choose from. So I'll just kind of look around here. It's all royalty free, so I don't have to worry about copyright issues when I'm uploading from this. So I'll just go in here and find something I like. And there's, again, tons and tons of different options. So let me just play a bit of this one. So I just look around until I find something that fits the theme of the video, and then when I do find something that will fit the theme of the video, I'll just drag it into the bottom of the timeline, and it'll just be underneath the background of all of that audio there. So that's a quick look at how I edit my videos. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and it helped you perhaps simplify your editing process. See you tomorrow.